Water is fascinating. It is everywhere, in the air, the soil, and it's allowed life, you and coffee to exist. And did you know what is more fascinating? Water expands when it freezes. But why does this happen? Here, I have two Aquafina water bottles with the same amount of liquid. The one that's frozen is bigger. Or here, I put some ice into the water. Notice that they float? Yeah, because they are lighter. This all happens because solids and liquids have different structures. Liquids are more chaotic, moving and swishing around, but solids are more stable and have a set of structure. The same can be said for water. Water had this hexagonal crystal structure when frozen, and that's the interesting part. There are more space in between the molecules of ice than in the molecules of water. To put things in perspective, take a look at these marbles. In the water, they swish and move around in random directions, bumping against each other. Can't look like a lot of people packed together. But if I were to reduce the temperature, oh look, it starts to organize. Now it's the shape of a hexagonal crystals. You can see that, compared to liquid water, ice is more spread out, and that is exactly why it expands. Amazing! On the topic of density, let's talk about sounds. Sounds are particles vibrating back and forth. The denser the material sounds move through, the faster it gets. So, the sound travels faster in water or ice. I would just say it doesn't. The speed of sound in ice is 3 times faster than in water. To understand why, let's look at these marbles again. When I launch another ball at this disorganized marble, which represent liquid, the force doesn't transfer that well or fast. But when I did the same thing to the more organized set that represents solid, it worked way better. The same can be said for sounds. Sounds travel faster when the material is denser and, more importantly, has great elasticity and rigidity, which is just a confusing way to say sounds travel faster in solid because it is stable. The same can be said for ice. Even though ice is less dense than water, it's far more superior in stability, making sound travel faster in it. Physics is cool and confusing.